You've been studying for hours, and still nothing sticks. Someone else picks up the same skill in days. You've been grinding for months. That's not a talent gap. That's a method gap. And by the end of this video, you'll learn faster than you ever thought possible. I used to reread the same notes 5 times and forget them by morning. Then I changed how I learn, not how much I learn. In this video, I'll show you the exact system that collapses months of learning into weeks. No hacks, no tricks, just the science of how your brain actually works. Here's what most people believe. Learning more equals knowing more. So they read more, highlight more, watch more lectures, more input, more. But that's like trying to fill a bucket with a fire hose. Most of it just splashes away. Your brain isn't a hard drive. It doesn't store information, it builds it. Every time you try to recall something, struggle with it, wrestle with it, your brain literally rewires itself around that struggle. The discomfort? That's the learning. Think of knowledge like a forest. The first time you walk through, there's no path. It's slow, it's frustrating, you get lost. But you keep walking the same route, a path forms, then a trail, then a road. That road is a neural pathway, and the only way to build it is to walk it. Passively watching videos, you're standing at the edge of the forest looking in. Active recall, you're walking it. Short sentences, real understanding, that's the difference. The most powerful learning method in existence is called active recall. Here's how it works. Instead of rereading your notes, close them. Try to retrieve what you just learned from scratch, no peeking. Wrong versus right method. X, read, highlight, reread, repeat. Y, read, close, retrieve, check, repeat. Why does this work? Because every time you struggle to remember something, your brain tags it as important. It says, this matters, lock it in. The struggle isn't a sign you're failing. The struggle is the learning happening. This isn't theory. A study out of Purdue University found that students who used active recall retained 50% more after a week than students who just reread. Dr. Robert Bjork calls it desirable difficulty. Basically, if learning feels too easy, it's not sticking. Cal Newport talks about this in Deep Work, Mickey Ebbinghaus, the spacing effect. The research all says the same thing. Retrieval beats reviewing every single time. Here's exactly how to apply this starting today. Step 1. Learn a concept for 20-25 minutes. Use the Pomodoro timer. Distraction kills retention. Step 2. Close everything. Blank page. Write down everything you remember. Don't worry about perfection. Step 3. Now check your source. See what you missed. Fill the gaps. Step 4. Come back tomorrow. Try to recall it again. Cold. No notes. Step 5. Space it out. Day 1, day 3, day 7, day 14. That's the spacing effect working for you. Real example, learning Python. Don't copy tutorials. Close them. Try to write the code yourself. Get it wrong. Look it up. Try again. That struggle session worth more than 10 hours of watching. Here's why most people don't do this. It feels bad. Rereading feels productive. Struggling to recall feels like failure. Your brain wants the comfort of recognition. Oh yeah, I know that. That little hit of familiarity. It's fake confidence. It's not the same as knowing. Every time active recall feels hard, that's not a red flag. That's a green one. That friction, that's your brain building the road. Here's the thing nobody talks about. Sleep. Not coffee, not nootropics, not extra study hours. Sleep. While you sleep, your brain consolidates everything you learned. It's literally moving information from short-term to long-term storage. Think of it like saving a document. You can type all day, but if you don't hit save, gone. Skipping sleep after a heavy study session is like spending hours building a sandcastle right before high tide. One study from Harvard found that sleep after learning improved recall by up to 40%. Study hard, then sleep hard. That's the combo. Stop measuring learning by hours spent. Start measuring by reps of retrieval. You don't get stronger by watching people lift. You get stronger by lifting. Your brain works exactly the same way. The students who learn the fastest aren't the ones who study the most. They're the ones who test themselves the most. Let's pull it together. Learning fast isn't about doing more. It's about doing it right. Active recall beats passive review. Spaced repetition beats cramming. Sleep beats 1 more hour of notes. Talent is rare, but systems are learnable. And now you have the system. If this hits different, you know what to do.